Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to secure a Yahoo Mail account. Ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. So the very first thing that we normally do, we can see here, Yahoo makes it easy to enjoy what matters most in your world. This is the Yahoo login mail. So we'll come here and we will enter our credentials. The first thing that we'll do, we'll have to log in into our account. So we can see, we'll just say we enter. Then it will ask for a password. We'll come here and be able to copy paste the password. So we'll come here and we'll be able to log in. So we'll come here and we'll be able to enter the password. We'll say next. Upon entering the password, it tells us it's an invalid password. Let us try to key it again. So we'll come here and we'll be able to enter the password. We'll be able to log in. After we're able to log in, the process of securing a Yahoo Mail account is that you want to change the password, and you also want to add your phone number. You want to add a phone number and enable two-step verification. So we'll come here to settings. So once we come to settings, so we'll come to where the account's name is. It's Moffat Obieng. Then we'll say account information. Upon coming to information, we'll come to personal information. Then we'll come to account security. Our tutorial was how to secure a Yahoo Mail account. So we want to secure it. So we'll come here and we are supposed to key in our phone number and put an email address, then enable the two-step verification. We'll come here and enter a phone number. Phone number we will be able to change as long as we were able to log in through the official email. You can see it's telling us that don't get locked out. Review account recovery information. We can see that there is an email that had been verified 10 days ago. We want to change it. We want to change it to our own. So this is the process of securing a Yahoo Mail account. I'll change the login. So I just entered a new email address. I'll say verify now. Once I verify now, I'll get in my email address. I meet this code has been sent. I'll pick those codes, then I will be able to key in them here in a very fast way. It's telling me now I have 15 seconds. I've received them in my this email address. I'll say verify and recover email. You see that one tells me Njogu Karongo successfully verified. That is my official email address. In case you need to contact me for any query, is njogukarongo@gmail.com. So we'll come here and we'll be able to also change the phone number, the recovery phone number. So it tells us edit the recovery phone number. We'll be able to say confirm. Once we say confirm, it tells us it's unverified. We'll come and say verify now. Once we say verify now, we'll be able to receive in my phone number within, it tells me within 55 seconds. I'll be able to receive a phone number that I will be able to check the logins, so that I'll be good to go. So the essence of you securing your account is to ensure that maybe some fraudulent activities that happened, and maybe you suspect other than parties are accessing your account without your consent. It's time that you follow this process one-on-one to ensure that you secure your account. I have 26 seconds. I've not yet received the code in my phone number. Let me confirm that it has been put the right way. So I'll be receiving it in a few. I'm still online. Luckily, I've received the phone number in my phone. This is my phone where I've just received the code. I've just received the code. So I'll come here and see verify phone to ensure that, yeah, it tells us that the phone has been successfully verified. So also we'll come and there is an alternative email address that had been attached here. We'll come and also remove it. So this account had an alternative email address. I'll also come and change it, and I'll be able to confirm. I will head in this email to confirm that everything has been changed. And I think I can see they are very fast. Google is very fast in receiving these codes because they are the initiators. So I'll key in the whole code. 146. I'll see verify the recovery email. That is the recovery email. So I can see everything has been changed. And the email was verified 5 minutes ago, successfully verified. So by clicking add, your email and phone number will be used by us and our partners to deliver the relevant content. So I'll come here and as you can check, it says me looks good. I'll come here and be able to, down here you can see looks good. I'll click looks good. Upon clicking looks good, it tells me that account security. You can see now everything is secure. That is the step by step how to secure your Yahoo Mail account. Now when I come to the security information, everything has been changed, and there is no way we are. I've also enabled we come and enable two-step verification. I'll be able to protect the account by it. Everything has been enabled, as we can check here. It tells me when somebody is signing, verify the code sent by the phone. I'll be able to enable this. It tells me that I enter my phone number again, so that the code will be sent to me as a form of verification. I'll tell them this time to call me so that I may see how. Okay, tells us contact not found. Why? The reason they are saying contact is not found is because I put a 0 before my number. So I'll tell them call me again, because yeah, it says, oh, looks like something went wrong, please try again. I think call me is not available at the moment, so what I will opt, I'll tell them to send me an SMS. So I'll be receiving an SMS with a few minutes, and I'll be able to verify. This verification means that when somebody, anytime somebody is trying to sign into my Yahoo email account, I'll have to be sent a phone a code that I'll be able to verify. I can see it has already been sent in my phone. I'll key in the code and I'll say verify. It tells me you have enabled two-step verification is successful. So I think I'm good to go. And once I see that, I know even in my accounts, I've been sent an email telling me that my two-step verification is enabled. Thank you for watching my tutorial, lifestyle tutorials. My tutorial today was about how to secure the tutorial today was how to secure your Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. In case you have any query, reach me out via my official contact, njogukarongo@gmail.com, and I'll be able to assist. Leave a comment in the description link. Thank you.